have so many plans for ourselves, but then life gets on top of us, and then we forget about the things we would like to accomplish. Hi everyone, thank you and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be chatting about creating the things that we want in our lives. I know we're living in a time where so many things are just uncontrollable, but the one thing that we have control of in our lives is ourselves. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the ways in which I set my goals for 2021 and created a digital vision board in order to be reminded of the things I am encouraging myself to accomplish this year. Today, we're going to be taking the first step in manifesting our best lives. Let's get started. Manifest. The definition of manifest is a clear or obvious to the eye or mind as an adjective, or as a verb, to show by one's act or appearance. The first thing I did was write down all of my goals for this year in different categories. Different ways in which you can organize your goals. You can organize them in terms of personal, finances, career, and so on. It's totally up to you because it's your vision board. I like to write because I keep all of my goals organized, and sometimes they overlap, but that's okay. I remind myself that my goals are positive reinforcements of what I want my life to look like in 2021. Instead of using negative language like don't, I make sure that I use positive language like remember to. For example, if you're someone who wants to save some more money in the new year, instead of writing don't spend a lot of money on this, you can reword that into save more money. Or you can actually write a goal like save $150 every month. When we remind ourselves constantly to don't do something, it becomes a burden on us. So we have to ensure that we're using positive language so that we can get the best outcome. The next thing I did was go on Pinterest to search for images that relate to my goals. This part can be quite fun or tedious, depending on what you're looking for. You can also look images up on Google as well. On Pinterest, I look for images that represented my goals, such as exercising more, taking another course, gain more experience in teaching, save more money. Canva.com and searched up vision. Canva is awesome for all kinds of creative content. I personally use Canva when I'm creating all of my YouTube thumbnails. I then uploaded all of my saved images from the folder I had created and positioned them together on the page. I resize and move things around a little bit. Please make sure that you have fun with this part of the process, because it is quite exciting to rearrange the sizes, to move the images around. And some of the images that I actually found, I ended up not using them because, that's how it goes sometimes. In the end, I managed to create a digital vision board with all of the amazing things I see for myself in 2021. When we create things and we see them every day, it does something to our brains and it starts to remind us of these are things we want to see in our lives. Remember, your vision board represents what you see for your life in 2021. Ensure that you're thinking deeply about all of the goals and the choices that you would like to make. At the end of these 365 days, or whatever day you're watching this video from, and you decide to create your own digital vision board, I pray that you will have all of those goals accomplished by the end of 2021 when you're looking back and you smile and you realize all the things that you saw coming for you in 2021, you have manifested. The first step is looking and having that vision. And that's why that vision board is really, really, really essential in ensuring that all of your goals are met. I personally chose to put my vision board on my laptop, and it's also my background on my phone so that I can see my vision board every single day when I'm doing work on my computer or if I'm going on my phone, and it reminds me of the things that I would like to accomplish at the end of the year. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to be kind to yourselves, be kind to one another, and stay positive. Bye guys.